Hello guys, welcome to another chapter of Python for Beginner course, which is functions and modules. So in this video we will be covering what are the functions and modules in Python. So without wasting any time, let's move to the chapter 9 of this course. So as you can see, there are a lot of files available in this folder as compared to previous file. So consider these two files as the regular files that we have already seen. So this is description, which contains the description of this video and it's available in the description, and this is a Python file that we already use. Now let's open this folder in VS Code. As you can see, VS Code is open. Now I will simply click on this chapter 9.py file. So why should we use functions in Python? So functions are used to reduce the line of code that we write in any programming language. Let's take an example. So just avoid this code and I will simply write at, let's say, print Aditya. So this is my name and I will just type print hello. Now assume that I want to print these two statements 100 number of times. So I can simply copy these lines, paste till 100 times. But as you can see, the number of lines required for this code is becoming too large. So instead of writing the code in this way, we can simply declare a function. Let's say a def print underscore data and just colon here, and I will just type these two lines here, so which are main lines, and after that I can simply run the for loop to print the data available in this function 10 times. So I will simply write for I in range, let's keep it 1 to 5. So I will simply write 1 to 6 and just colon here. After that I will simply type the name of that function, this print, and as you can see, print data is already coming to me as a suggestion. So I will simply click here and just give opening and closing brackets. So in this code, for loop will make ensure that the contents inside the loop will get executed 5 times. Now what are the contents in the for loop? So the contents is the function. So for first loop it will go to the function print Aditya and hello. Then for second time it will go to that function once again print Aditya and hello. It will do this till 5 number of times. So I will simply show you the output by running the program. So as you can see, it has printed Aditya hello 5 times. So these are the functions, and I hope you understood that why should we use functions. Basically to just reduce the size of code. The execution time will be same. So these are the functions, and what are the modules in Python? Let's understand them with an example. Suppose you are working on a project of virtual assistant, and one feature of virtual assistant is that it will perform face authentication first and then allow the user to use the virtual assistant. So the code for face authentication is written in different file, and the code to run a virtual assistant program is written in different file. So how can we run these two files at a single instance of time? Or in simpler way, how can we use the function written in another Python file in our main script? So importing a function which is written in another Python file is the concept of modules. I will just show you the demo first so that you can understand it better. So I will simply open these two files, which is main script and explorer. So these are the two files. So this is math underscore model.py, and remember to add unique names to these Python files. So this math model.py file simply contains the two functions, which is def add and def multiply. So these two functions will simply perform addition and multiplication of number, and it's written in math model.py file, and our main program is main script.py file, which is this, as you can see. So I have to import these two functions without copy pasting in this file. So I will simply type import the file name, which is math module, as you can see. Then I will simply store the output of the variable, which is result sub math module.add. So math module is the name of the file, and add is the function which is written in this mathmodule.py file, and I have just passed these two numbers, which is 3, 5. So how will the program get executed? So firstly it will come here, then it will execute line number 3, and it will virtually take the data from this file in this from mathmodule.py file in main script file, and after that it will go to line number 5 and just take that mathmodule.add. So it will go to mathmodule.add function and just pass these two variables, which are a and b, and this function returns a plus b, which is the addition of these two numbers, and the result will get stored in result sum variable. In the similar way, the multiplication result will also get stored in result product. So I will simply show the output first, and as you can see, the output is sum 8 and product is 8, which is correct output. As you can see, the sum of 5 and 3 is 8, and the product of 2 and 4 is also 8. So modules are user written codes that we can use in multiple programs. Suppose I can also create another file which stores subtraction and division, and I can also import them using the same command just by changing the file name and the functions using this file. So this was basic understanding of functions and modules in Python. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching this video.